Pretty amazing sunrise. Look, oh, ang pretty niya. Nice and clean. Alam ko ang name yan. Dinugol ko na yan before. Nakalimutan ko lang. Take care on your journey. Bye-bye. 6:35. Let's go, my auntie. Look at the pretty amazing flowers. Okay, we're heading back. We're heading back home. Look at that. So pretty amazing, oh. Ang ganda ng sunrise, oh. Tapos merong kambing goat, oh. Ang cute niya. Ganda ng pwesto niya dito. Wow. Hello. Ayan, nagtatingin siya. Hello, kambing goat. Have a nice day. You're so cute. Bye-bye. 2.5 2.5 na. 6:42. 1.8. Nasa 1.8 na tayo. We're closer. Back at home. 6:46. 2.69. And counting. We're back.